Allegiance Educare, your career, our guidance, your choice. The problem is 93% of Indian schools do not have career counselors. 75% of them regret not choosing career of their choice. 70% of parents think right age for career counseling is 16, whereas it is 13 years. There are over 600 careers to choose. Allegiance Educare has built an effective, advanced, automated, end-to-end online career portal from choosing the right career through career assessment test with the help of its proprietary technologies like Advanced Career Assessment Test Engine to calculate more than 5,000 combinations of 500 careers, Career Bank Search Engine, your one-stop, one solution to know everything about a career, Counseling Bot to guide your career-related issues to the right solutions, Student Relationship Management to schedule student appointments, manage transactions, and mentor review system. A career counselor is the one who shortlists the perfect career for you as per your skills and gives you the initial direction to your career. Guidance of other educational consultants like admission counselors, training institutes, study abroad consultants, job consultants, etc. are needed in later stages. A platform to solve India's present and future career guidance needs. With the help of career assessment test, face-to-face counseling, and tools like Career Bank, Career Tour, etc. Allegiance Educare has guided more than 5,000 students till now. Founded in 2014, it is headquartered in Mumbai and has an experience of more than 6 years in the career counseling industry. It has more than 200 mentors across India, presence in more than 30 cities across India. Our association and affiliation with Asia Pacific Career Development Association, International Association of Applied Psychology, and Global Career Development Association. Let's take a look at the steps to follow for career counseling. Step 1. Choose a plan from career counseling packages. Understanding the career needs of individuals, Allegiance Educare has designed customized packages for career counseling like Stream Selector for 8 to 10 standard students, Degree Selector for 11 to 12 standard students, Job and Master Specialization Selector for graduate and working professionals, Telephonic Counseling for all age groups, and Telephonic Mentoring packages for career growth prospects with industry experts. Step 2. Give a career assessment test based on career interest, personality, aptitude, multiple intelligence, and face recognition tests. An automated report with shortlisted careers is generated. There are 3 aspired careers also taken from the candidate to find the suitability in those 3 aspired careers. Step 3 and 4. Face-to-face counseling. You can then choose a mentor from our database of more than 200 mentors across the country, and as per the convenient date and time, a face-to-face counseling is fixed. Post-counseling services like Study Abroad Helpline, Student Helpline, Job Placement Helpline to address the candidate's information-based queries after the counseling. Let's take a look at our career assessment report structure. Our Advanced Career Assessment Test Engine to calculate more than 5,000 combinations of more than 500 careers. Now career counseling gets even better. Face reading has been used by psychologists and other astrologers for years. The test questions have been designed by testing the validity and reliability of sample data of all age groups. One of our tests, that is the multiple intelligence test, is used to test the behavior of an individual. The career interest test identifies which category an individual's interest lies. Interest is the combination of the kind of activities an individual enjoys performing and fascination towards a career category. The aptitude test, which is one of the most important factors, is used to identify the capability of an individual to perform in a particular career. The personality test which gauges 8 personality traits of an individual. There are 3 lists of shortlisted careers. The first list, which is the strongly recommended list, calculates for the combination of high scores of all the careers. The second and third average recommended list calculates the combination of average scores of all the careers. After clicking on a particular career from the shortlisted careers in the report, you will be directed to a career bank which shows you a career tree, career description and course description of that particular career. The 3 aspired careers is one of the key features of this report. There are 3 careers of the candidate's choice taken to test the suitability amongst them. Other features of the portal includes a database of mentors, blogs, forums, and many other career tools like Career Tour, Career Bank, etc. Let's take a look what students have to say about their experience of career counseling with us.
Hi, I'm Jagan. I was enrolled with Allegiance Educare for career counseling in 2014 in the first year of my junior college. I was good in math, so CA seemed an appropriate option, but I wanted to explore other areas as well. So I came across Allegiance Educare and was given as a career assessment test. The career assessment test generated an automated report which gave complete insight on my personality traits, my aptitude, and my interests. The next day, I had a discussion I had a counseling session with my career counselor, and and after a healthy discussion, deliberation, and analysis of the report, we finalized on bachelor's in business administration. They also provided me with details about the examinations and the institutes, and the mentor answered all my queries till the time I got enrolled in my BB program at NMIMS Mumbai. Today, I am a research analyst at a reputed financial research service.
How was your career counseling session?
Yeah, it was nice. I got a clear, I got a view now what I should want to do.
We got a clear picture now.
Yeah.
What is he has to do something in the future, because he was very much confused about his future and his career. So that's why we came here for the counseling. So now we are very much clear now what exactly he has to take a line, which line he has to go for. So it helped us very much in this.
Okay. And what about the test? Like, how you find the test which you gave, personality and all that?
Yeah, it was.
What's the report according to your this thing? What you thought
Yeah.
your personality was?
It showed exactly as per his nature.
Yeah.
Okay. And what you advise people, like, should they take career counseling?
If they are confused, they should.
I think every student should come. They should do the counseling.
Unless they are clearing their mind that you want to do a specific.
Okay. Thank you so much.